To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Disengage the fastener. Before the housing can be lifted, slide the tabs out of their catch. Remove the old filter and clean out the excess debris in the housing. Rotate the filter housing locking mechanism and pull to remove the filter housing. Insert your new filter into the housing. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, re-engage the fastener. Rotate and lock the hose. Reconnect the hose. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.